I asked AI to generate YouTube thumbnail images in seconds, and the results were actually insane. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create thumbnails like this using AI. If you're a content creator and you struggle to find good images for your thumbnails, this tool can help you generate amazing visuals in just a few seconds. And the best part? It's very easy to use. So let's get started. Today, we will use the AI image generator inside ChatGPT. With this tool, you can create custom images just by typing a prompt. That means you can generate unique images for your YouTube thumbnails without searching for stock photos. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Writing the prompt. First, you need to type a prompt. A prompt is simply a description of the image you want the AI to create. For example, I will type this prompt. Create a viral YouTube thumbnail-style image of a shocked content creator looking at a computer screen generating AI images. The screen is glowing with colorful AI graphics. The background has bright neon lights and futuristic elements. High contrast, vibrant colors, dramatic lighting, cinematic style, ultra-detailed, designed for a YouTube thumbnail. Now let's see what the AI will generate. Click this plus sign button, then choose Create Image. Go to the right side, then click this arrow sign to generate this image. Now let's see what the AI will generate. Wow, check this out. This is insane. Look at the colors and the detail. I did not expect this. Imagine using this as your YouTube thumbnail. It looks super clickable. Look at the glowing highlights and the colors. The AI really emphasized the main subject, making it the focus of the thumbnail. You can already see why this would get tons of clicks. The glowing digital effects, the vibrant neon lights, and the contrast. It's like it jumped off the screen. This is exactly the kind of thumbnail that makes people click instantly. Step 2. Generate another thumbnail idea. Let's try another example. Create a YouTube thumbnail image showing a split screen. On the left side, a human graphic designer working on a laptop, and on the right side, a futuristic AI robot generating images instantly. Bright colors, glowing effects, dramatic lighting, high contrast, viral YouTube thumbnail style. Click this plus sign button, then choose Create Image. Go to the right side, then click this arrow sign to generate this image. Check this out. Look at the glow around the screen and the way the lights reflect. The depth is amazing and the composition is perfect for a YouTube thumbnail. This will definitely catch viewers' eyes. And there it is. You can see that the AI created a completely unique thumbnail image. For optional step, you can also import the image into Canva to add text, arrows, or other design elements to make it look more professional. This is a great way to create thumbnails faster for your YouTube videos. And that's how you can generate YouTube thumbnail images using AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials about design tools, AI tools, and content creation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.